Welcome to Informatica University Success Academy. Enterprise Data Lake applies recipe to the data in the input source to create new data asset. When you publish the prepared data, Enterprise Data Lake applies the recipe to transform the data. Back-in-time mode shows the impact of each recipe step in the worksheet. It is useful for enabling collaborators on a project to see what has been done thus far, or if you are troubleshooting issues discovered in a worksheet. In this video, you will watch how to perform back-in-time action. You can edit, delete, copy and paste recipe steps as well as view the data in back-in-time mode. The application updates the worksheet in back-in-time mode so you can review the impact in formula change. Update the formula. Click Done. View the new worksheet with the updated charges. Click Exit Back-in-time mode. This concludes the video.